Hello viewers, the electricity which we use in our home, school or office and the fuels which we use for cars, bikes and airplanes and the gas which we use for cooking, we get all these from one thing, that is fossil fuels. And do you know how the fossil fuels are formed in our earth? And in some years will the fossil fuels will get deplete in our earth? Let's get into this video. If you like this, please subscribe to Science Collector. When the earth was formed, it is filled with water. The marine organisms which is present in the water, after their death, they sink at the bottom of the sea. And also the trees which are grown along the water side gets older and fell into the water and sink at the bottom of the sea. It becomes a cycle and lots of trees and marine organisms settle at the bottom of the tree for n number of years. Also they faced huge pressure and high temperature for many years. As a result, it forms as a layer in the bottom of the sea as well as in the ground. Thus results in a valuable source called fossil fuel. The layer which is settled at the bottom of the ground is known as the coal, and the greasy layer which settled at the bottom of the sea is the crude oil. We have extracted these fossil fuels such as coal, crude oil, and we make different kinds of products from that. By mining, we take the coal and used for producing electricity because coal has high carbon content and has high calorific value. Coal is used as a fuel for burning. From that, we heat the water and make as a steam and pass it through the turbines, and we produce electricity in thermal power plants. Almost 70% of the electricity we got from the thermal power plant. So coal takes place a major role in producing the electricity. In similar way, we dig the crude oil from the sea. From that, we produce n number of products like paraffin, petroleum, diesel, natural gas, cooking gas, tar, etc. Many countries do this as a business by digging the crude oil and converting them into a fuel and supply to the entire world. And these fossil fuels is not a renewable, which means once we taken those fossil fuels, we run out of that. And for the formation of fossil fuels, it needs n number of years. Also, if we use the fossil fuels, it will create pollution because it is a full of carbon content. So what is the decision we are going to take? Instead of using this fossil fuels as a source of energy, we need to think of renewable source of energy, that is solar energy, wind energy and energy we got from the ocean currents, which is non-pollutable to our earth. By using these types of energy, we can reduce the use of fossil fuels and increase those renewable sources of energies. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and share it with your friends to gain more knowledge. And finally, thank you for watching.